Hello dear children, welcome back to the class, and today we are going to start a new lesson, that is lesson number 7, Clever Fox and Greedy Wolf. Clever Fox and Greedy Wolf. C-L-E-V-E-R, clever, F-O-X, fox, and greedy, G-R-E-E-D-Y, greedy, G-R-E-E-D-Y, greedy, wolf, W-O-L-F, wolf, clever fox and greedy wolf. So let's read the lesson first. Afterwards we'll go for the next one. Okay, so put your fingers or you take a pencil and just read along with me. Okay, a clever fox met a greedy wolf in the forest. "I am hungry," growled the wolf. "I'm going to eat you up." The fox was frightened. "Don't eat me, Mr. Wolf. Please don't," cried the fox. "Why not?" roared the wolf. "I'm hungry." The fox had an idea. "Come with me," said the fox. "I will find you some food." The fox took the wolf to an old house. They looked through the kitchen window. Page number 61. Next page. "Ah," said the wolf, "look at the food." In the kitchen, a woman was putting cakes on a shelf. She went out of the kitchen and shut the door. "We can't get in," said the wolf. "Shh, be quiet," whispered the fox. The kitchen window was very small. The fox opened it. He climbed through the window. "Come inside," said the fox to the wolf. The wolf climbed inside. The fox and the wolf started to eat the cakes. The fox ate one cake. Then the fox took 3 cakes and put them outside the window. The wolf was greedy. He ate 1 cake. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Then he ate another cake, and another, and another. The wolf ate 8 cakes, but still did not stop. Suddenly, the woman came into the kitchen. Let's go for the next page. Page number 62. "What are you doing here?" shouted the woman. "Have you eaten my cakes?" The woman picked up a rolling pin. The fox jumped through the small window. He picked up the 3 cakes and ran away. The greedy wolf was too fat. He could not get through the window. Oh dear, what did the poor wolf pick up? So here we have completed the reading of the lesson. Lesson number 7, Clever Fox and Greedy Wolf. So here I'll give you to underline the difficult words. Just underline the difficult words and read the lesson 3 times. Okay. So you have to read this lesson 3 times neatly. Okay. The first word, difficult word to underline is clever. C-L-E-V-E-R, clever. Next is greedy. G-R-E-E-D-Y, greedy. W-O-L-F, wolf. F-O-R-E-S-T, forest. H-U-N-G-R-Y, hungry. G-R-O-W-L-E-D, growled. The next one, frightened. F-R-I-G-H-T-E-N-E-D. The next one, roared. R-O-A-R-E-D. I-D-E-A, idea. The next difficult word is K-I-T-C-H-E-N, kitchen. W-I-N-D-O-W, window. S-H-E-L-F, shelf. The next one is quiet. Q-U-I-E-T, quiet. The next is whispered. W-H-I-S-P-E-R-E-D, whispered. C-L-I-M-B-E-D, climbed. The next is cakes. C-A-K-E-S, cakes. The next is A-N-O-T-H-E-R, another. S-U-D-D-E-N-L-Y, suddenly. W-O-M-A-N, woman. Next, last page. Shouted. S-H-O-U-T-E-D, shouted. E-A-T-E-N, eaten. P-I-C-K-E-D, picked. R-O-L-L-I-N-G, rolling pin. P-I-N, pin. Rolling pin. So here we have finished the dictation words. We have underlined the dictation words. And today's homework is you have to read the lesson 3 times and you have to read the underlined difficult words 5 times. Okay children, read each the spelling and read the lesson properly. If you feel difficulty, kindly approach your parents, but don't read wrong. Okay, see you in the next class children. Take care and bye-bye.